What is up, YouTube? You're with Goggles and welcome back for another episode. And today we're gonna do some unboxings. Today we're gonna check out some sneakers I picked up recently, and we're gonna do some sneaker unboxings as well, and some clothing. I picked up some clothing as well. But before we get started, I do have some breaking news. Yes, we have another breaking news today. We have another Yeezy news. We have the new colorway of the 700 V3 Kyanite that's set to release on 2021. This sneaker kind of reminds you of a sneaker that released this year, right? Yeah, same color blocking. Yeah, it does remind you of this Yeezy 700 V3 Arzareth. It does have the same type of color blocking as the Arzareth, but the only difference is the upper of the sneaker. In the Arzareth, it comes with this blue mesh, and you have this white stripe on the side panel. And the Kyanite comes with the light gray mesh with the blue stripe on the side panel. And also the TPU caging is a bit different as well. This is more translucent compared to the Kyanite. The Kyanite comes with like a milky, more like whitish type of TPU caging. And also the Kyanite doesn't come with the bronze hits on the forefoot and on the heel. The Kyanite is just plain gray with blue stripe. It does look clean. It's a very clean colorway. I usually don't go for blue, but when these sneakers came out, it changed my mind. That sneaker is set to release on 2021 and release date hasn't been confirmed yet, but I'm starting to like that better than this one, to be honest with you. I love that simple gray upper with that hint of blue on the side. I don't know, man. I'm definitely gonna cop. Alright, that's enough of that. Now we're gonna do some unboxings. My first package is from Champs. I got some clothing right here. Yeah, I got a hoodie from Champs. This is a collaboration between Champion and Jeff Staple. It's a nice pretty hoodie right here. This was actually sitting on the Champs website. It's a pretty nice collab. You have that pigeon design on the chest area. You have the pigeon print right there, and you also have the pigeon in the back as well. In the arm it says Collaborate. I'm not really sure. I didn't look up what this collab is about, but it says in the back Collaborate, so it must be some fundraiser. But it's a nice hoodie, man. It was sitting in Champs for a little bit. I don't know why people slept on these. I guess because of the Warren Lotus situation, people are starting to hate on Jeff Staple, but I like Jeff Staple, man. I love his designs. So here's another package I picked up. So we're gonna put that aside. We're gonna move on to the next one. My next package is from PacSun. This when they released the Fear of God Essentials. I do have some hoodie for you guys. I copped one of the hoodie. This is in the Sage colorway. It's one of the essential hoodie, and it did sell out pretty quick. Every time they release a hoodie from Essentials, it always sells out. I love the materials they use on the Fear of God Essentials. Very high quality, and it's very warm as well. Now that winter and fall is coming, it's nice to have a nice looking hoodie. This is the Sage colorway. It does have that silicone printing right there in the front. It says Essential, very high quality. This hoodie will last you a while because the type of fabric they use. I did pick up a couple sweatshirts back in the spring line, and this is the one I picked up for the fall line. They have another one coming, dropping. I want the brown one. They have a brown hoodie coming as well. Man, this is like the perfect wear for fall, because when you just want to lounge around, you don't have to dress up nicely, you just want to put something on. This is very comfortable, especially in those cold days. Alright, we're gonna do some unboxing. This is a package from Supreme that I haven't opened yet, and it's been sitting here for a while, so we're just gonna unbox it today. This is the drop from a couple weeks back, and I only picked up a couple things, nothing much. Yep. I did cop this red plaid beanie right here with a big Supreme logo. I'm not sure if it's reflective. No, it's not reflective. It's just plaid. It's a pretty nice hat. I love this color. It was pretty tough to get. This is one that sold out right away. I actually got lucky to cop this from Supreme. It's usually hard to cop anything there. I also copped this brown velvet hat from Supreme. You have that Supreme box logo right on the top. I always try to cop Supreme hats with a leather belt on the back. If it's available, I cop it, but if it's not, you know, I just wait for the next one. But usually I prefer the one with the leather belt in the back. It's a nice pretty hat. Nice winter hat, nice fall hat. And lastly, on the clothing, I do have some potential merch that I picked up. I do have this hat right here. I got Goggles printed on there. Not bad. Nice pretty looking hat. It's not high quality, but I wish it was embroidered, but it's just a print. For now, I'm just trying it out. You know, I don't have enough subscribers yet to mass produce anything. But in the future, if I do have enough subscribers, I will do some merch and put my own design on it. And also I have this hoodie. You have goggles on the front, and you also have a print of my logo on the back as well. Circle logo. Same circle you see in the fragments. I should put a thunder right here, right in the middle. But no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna copy Warren Lotus. Next time I'm gonna put something crazy in there. Maybe some eyeglasses in there, some lenses. I don't know, next time I'm gonna do something more creative. But this one's just a trial. Just wanna see how it looks in person. First sneaker we're gonna check out is from this purple box. You have the Nike SB box right here. It's not an SB Dunk. It's more of a SB Blazer. I really got a good deal with these sneakers. 75 bucks at StockX. Pretty good deal. I can't believe somebody gave this away for 75 bucks, but I copped one. And the reason why I picked it up because I love the Sashiko. I couldn't get the Dunk Sashiko. Those are way overpriced in my opinion because the upper is not leather. The sneaker does have pretty good suede on the toe box right here. And I love the canvas as well. And the Sashiko knitting and that Nike swoosh. You have the cross pattern on the heel and on the forefoot as well. And Nike embroidered print on the back. Nice looking sneaker. I think it was a steal for 75 bucks. Can't go wrong with it. And this is a very underrated sneaker, man. I prefer this more than the blue ones because the colorway just goes well. Alright, let's put this aside. Alright, for my next unboxing, we have two Pharrell Human Race box right here. This came in a week ago. This is both the colorways from the Third Eye Pharrell Human Races. The first one, we have the orange pair right here. On pictures, the orange does look brighter online, but in person, it does have that blood orange type of color. It's more darker. It's not that bright, so I kind of like that better actually. And around the sneaker, you have that hit of neon orange as well, and you have Chinese characters going down. It says, one of them says extra and one of them says I. It's extra I. So one of them extra, this one says I think. I'm not really sure. It does have a blue paint on the midsole because if you flip the sneaker, it's just white boost, so it's just the midsole that's blue. And you have that peach colored NMD tab on both sides right here that connects to the lacing system. So it's a pretty nice colorway, man. I dig it a lot. For some reason, it does work. This color blocking right here. I know it's not that wearable, but it's one of those shoes that just look good. I have the other pair right here. I think this one is more limited because the one that's only available on the Adidas app was the orange one. I didn't think they had these. I'm not really sure, I forgot. But I'm pretty sure this one is more limited. I think this colorway is the best one that came out this year. We do have one coming out this weekend. We have the dash green and the sesame. That one looks nice, but it is limited. Those gonna be hard to cop. This one is nice, man. It does have this taro-like purple right here. You have light gray and dark gray hits as well. And this one's in English. This one's extra, says extra I right there, embroidered. Is it embroidered? No, it's not embroidered exactly. It is embroidered. It is embroidered, it says extra I. The left one says I, and the right one says extra. So I guess the left one on the orange one says I. So this one is I, the right one is extra. I love the laces right here. It does look like the classic Pharrell yellow laces, and the green is a nice hit as well on the outsole. You know my favorite thing about the sneakers is the outsole, man. It's not trail. There's no trail outsole on this. It's a classic NMD outsole. I like that way better than the other one because that one's like feels kind of weird on foot, and this one's more of, you know, it's a classic look, man. You can't go wrong with a classic Pharrell Human Races. It's nice. Let's move on to the next sneaker I got right here. It's a black Nike box. Flip the box. It says Supreme. Yeah, that's right. This is the Supreme Air Max Plus. I copped this from Supreme. I got lucky. I really got lucky. It's not that easy to cop sneakers at Supreme, man. Supreme is usually botted. And I got lucky. I copped this Air Max right here. This is the mean green colorway. I picked this one because it's the one that stands out the most. It's nice, man. Supreme did a good job with these sneakers. Whew. I love the box as well. I love the pull-out box instead of the traditional one. It's very premium. They did a good job with this box as well. Let's look at the shoe. Let's do a little bit 360 right here. Mesh upper. You have like TPU caging on the upper as well. And this Nike tag right here in orange. Nice colorway in the sneakers, man. You won't think blue and orange and green will work in one sneaker, but it does for some reason. Supreme pulled it off with this one. And what I noticed the most, if you look closer on the sneaker, it does spell Supreme on that TPU caging right there. So that's pretty unique as well. I love that touch. And you also have Supreme on the tongue as well. You have that box logo there as well in green. This is very unique. It's tanking right now, but I'm pretty sure this sneaker will go up in value over time. You know what this reminds me of? The first time I saw this online, it does look like the slime they use at Nickelodeon. It's the same green slime, and the orange is the Nickelodeon symbol. I think they got the inspiration from that. But yeah, it's a very unique colorway, man. It's not an everyday type of sneaker. It's just the type of sneaker you just put on with anything. It doesn't have to match. Like, who matches nowadays? I don't know. I don't do that with my clothing. Like, I don't try to match all the time. This is definitely gonna work with the way I dress because I keep it simple up top, and on foot I go crazy. All right, let's put this aside. We're gonna do another unboxing. And this one I copped as well last week, and it came in this week. It came in kind of late, to be honest with you. I should start copying my shoes at the mall, so I don't have to wait for it. Woo! Ooh, comes in this red Nike box right here. And yes, it is a Jordan 1. I got lucky as well with this sneaker. I've been getting lucky. I've been hitting a lot lately. So I hope it transfers to next week's drop, the Dark Mochas and the Off-White 5 is releasing next week. They pushed that sneaker twice. It was like, they say it was going to release on late December. Apparently now it's releasing only a week after they try to push the sneaker. All right, let's open the box. I have here the women's exclusive from the holiday pack, the Air Jordan 1 Lucky Green. Quality on this sneaker is freaking nice. Tumbled leather on the upper, and you have, yeah, tumbled leather, man. Nice and soft on this sneaker. Ooh, can't believe the quality. This sneaker will go up in value. This is a size 10 in men's. I did cop the 11.5 women's. So in men's, this is 10. And the value of the sneaker will definitely go up since it's a bigger size. I do love the color blocking, but the only thing I don't like about this sneaker, it has this patent leather Nike swoosh. I wish it was leather as well, but you know, what can you do? Beggars can't be choosers, man. I love when Jordan do black outsoles because it's easier to keep clean, man. Instead of white outsoles, it just gets dirty. I also love that aged midsole right here. It's like a sail colorway, so they already age it for you, so you don't have to worry about the sneaker turning yellow. Jordan right there, Jordan Wings logo in red. Nice looking sneaker, man. I just hope the ankle collar was black. That would have made the sneakers perfect, but hey, it's still nice. This is not wearable, but I bet you people will want this for Christmas or St. Patty's, so you can sell this around during that time. You can't go wrong with Jordans, man. Jordans is a staple sneaker. Jordan 1 especially in this colorway. It's an OG Jordan 1 color blocking too. Can't go wrong. Alright guys, that's all my unboxings for today. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys stopping by. And of course guys, please subscribe and smash that like button on your way out. And also you can follow me at Instagram at Goggles Reviews. Until next time guys, for my next episode, I am going to do a review of all of these sneakers. I think I'm going to start with this Pharrell NMDs. And I think I'll do the Lucky Greens next after that. So thanks for stopping by. Peace.